Right, so it says, can you match these up? The first one's done for us, that's a cylinder. So this one here, we've got a triangle on either side, so it's called a triangular prism. There's that one there. This is a cube, could have been a cuboid, looking at it, but it's definitely a cube because there's a cuboid there. So a cuboid would be the length of a rectangle. So a cube, or faces all the same, cuboid extended out. So this one's got a square base, and it looks like something you'd find in Egypt, so it's a square base pyramid. And here it says, can you sketch the two remaining solids? So we're left with a sphere and also a cone as well. So a sphere is basically a ball, right? So you can draw it as a circle, try to put some shading on maybe if you wanted to show that there's that there, I don't know, but it's a ball. And a cone, just like what you get to put your ice cream in, looks a bit like that upside down. So think of a traffic cone, a wizard's hat, or an ice cream cone. So right, here we go, part B. This cylinder has got a diameter of 10 centimeters and a height of 12. So it says 16 of these are put tightly into a box. So it says work out the length, the height, and the width of the box. So there's the length, there's the height. Let's do the height first. So first of all, you've got two of these cylinders, so the 12 each. So your height is going to be 24. So it's 2 lots of 12. So your diameter of each of these circles is 10. So the width is going to be 10 plus 10, so that would be 20. So your width is 20. Then your length is 10, 20, 30, so it's 40 centimeters. Alright? So that question probably looks a lot worse than it actually is when you get down into it. Mind you, a lot of it does. Right, thank you.